Hey, you have to move back to your own.
Oh.
Back to your own.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bachan. Happy birthday to you.
Do you want to help Bachan blow out the candles?
Come and sit on your seat, Suki. Can you reach?
Come over here.
Do you want to help Bachan blow out the candles?
Okay.
Can you help Bachan?
Okay.
Yay!
Oh, one more time.
Oh, it's done now.
What is lucky?
Oh.
You want to eat the cake now?
Should we eat
Yeah.
some cake?
Yes.
Okay, should we take off the candles?
Oh.
This is what happened last time.
Yes.
Oh,
The chocolate bits.